Hello and welcome to the next part of the TigerCreate tutorial series. Today we will look at the correct way to rename assets like images or sound files. Look at the scene here. We have the ice float. It's in the book navigator in the book assets and it has the name Scene03 schönes Eis.png. Schönes Eis means pretty ice in German. And you can see it has a umlaut here, Ö. And this is not good. And when you look at the scene assets, it's placed in the scene and here it has the same name. So first, to get rid of the umlaut, you can rename it in the scene. Go to this place and name it schönes Eis or stick to English and call it nice ice. But this is only the scene name. The name of the asset in the project is still schönes Eis because that's a file name. The only way to get rid of this is to go to Finder while the scene is opened and to look for the file in the project file. You see the images folder and here is the file Scene03 schönes Eis. And here you can rename it. Let's call it nice ice 2. And then watch here. I rename it and it's automatically renamed in the project. So this is the way how you can do it. Rename it in Finder, but very important, the scene must be opened for TigerCreate to understand that the file is renamed. If you have multiple scenes with this asset here, with this image, please open all the scenes that are using this image and then rename it in Finder. By doing it this way, TigerCreate will know for each scene that the asset is renamed and will rename it accordingly. Now it's called nice ice everywhere and makes no trouble. You should not use umlauts or brackets or any other special characters in file names. Best would be if you just use the alphabetic characters A to Z in lower and uppercase and the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and an underscore is good too. Now to something else about renaming. I drag in our Lars character, make it a bit bigger here, and I want to put a button on top of Lars. I create it. And I place the button on top of Lars. And I connect this button to a sound file, the click sound father. Father. Now, if you look at it in the preview mode, you can click the button Father and Lars yells Father. Now this is fine, I save the scene, it's saved, and now I close the scene and go to the sound files. For example, you change the sound file, here the father file, and by doing it this way, TigerCreate will not find the sound anymore. So we open up the scene we just changed. Look at it. And when you go to preview mode and click the button,
sound is missing from the book project folder.
You hear the voice and telling you sound is missing from the book project folder. So now you go to the button and you see in the click sound there's a missing sound.mp3 because the father sound was missing. You now can reconnect it to the sound file you renamed x Scene03 father mp3 and save and play again. Father. And it works. So this is the way how you can handle missing sound files. The same happens with the file name for Lars. So I close the scene again, and somehow the Lars file was renamed. I open up the scene, and you can see there's a big image error. Image is missing. And when you click on it, you can see in the upper right corner, image scene03 underscore lars.png. This was the image that was expected, but it's not there anymore. Because you see, we renamed it to xxx scene03 lars.png. But if you now just go to the image again in Finder, mark it, and rename it back to the correct name, go back here, click for Lars, and it's again scene03 Lars. Lars is here. I go to the preview mode, I click on the button.
Father!
Lars is yelling. So everything is fine again, and we do not have any umlauts in here anymore. And our missing sound file and missing image files are back again. That's it for today. Have fun using TigerCreate. Bye bye.